Get Admission brings you the latest information about Kyrgyz State Medical Academy, Kyrgyzstan, for students who are interested in pursuing MBBS. In this video, we will review the college, discuss the eligibility criteria, and provide information about the fee structure. Hello and welcome to Get Admission channel. We are here to help you make the right decisions about your future education. Today, we are excited to bring you information about Kyrgyz State Medical Academy, Kyrgyzstan. The college has opened admissions for the MBBS program, and we are here to provide you with all the necessary information to help you make an informed decision. Kyrgyz State Medical Academy is a well-known and reputable college that offers high-quality education in the field of medicine. The college has been operating for over 70 years and has produced many successful doctors who are now practicing all over the world. The college is recognized by the World Health Organization, WHO, the Medical Council of India, MCI, and other international organizations. The college has state-of-the-art facilities, including well-equipped classrooms, laboratories, and libraries. The college also has experienced and qualified faculty members who are dedicated to providing quality education to their students. To be eligible for admission to the MBBS program at Kyrgyz State Medical Academy, students must meet the following criteria. The student must have completed their high school education or equivalent with a minimum of 50% marks in physics, chemistry, and biology. The student must be at least 17 years old at the time of admission. The student must have a valid passport. The student must have passed the NEET, National Eligibility Entrance Test, examination. The fee structure for the MBBS program at Kyrgyz State Medical Academy is affordable and reasonable. The fee for the first year of the program is approximately $5,500. Through Get Admission, you provide scholarships to deserving students based on their academic performance. Kyrgyz State Medical Academy is an excellent choice for students who are interested in pursuing a career in medicine. The college provides high-quality education and has a great track record of producing successful doctors. If you meet the eligibility criteria, we highly recommend that you consider applying for admission to the MBBS program at Kyrgyz State Medical Academy. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your educational journey.
Fearless.